First of all, compare the opening on the door with the drawing of the opening. If it does not match, drill a new hole. Install the lock body according to the opening direction of the door. If the direction is wrong, use a screwdriver to support the bottom from the inclined tongue. Push the oblique tongue out. Then lock shaft. Turn it in the direction we want. Then install it. Install the lock core after tightening the screws. You can start by securing the lock core with this long screw. This lock core. It needs to be about 2 to 3 centimeters above the level of the door. Mark the lock core first. Then use tools to cut off the excess. Cut it off and put it back on. Tighten the screw. Install front panel. Attach the 2 hollow studs to the front panel and lock. Tighten with pliers. Thread the wire through the door hole before installation. The square shaft is aligned with the lock hole. Disassemble the bottom plate before installing the rear panel. Thread the 2 wires first through the first square hole through the setting screw. If the screws are long, they need to be cut to the right length. Don't tighten the screws too much yet. Easy to adjust the position of the door lock. Leave the 3 screw holes in the middle. Put the front panel right again. Adjust the rear setting screws. Attach the rear axle. The rear axle also needs to be above the plane of the door, about 2 to 3 centimeters. Cut off the excess and put it back on. Open the battery cover and trim cover. Connecting temporary connection. Plug all the temporary wires into the keyhole. The pick on the locking shaft. Also cut it short according to the thickness of the door. Align the picks with the locking shaft and the square shaft. Be careful not to press the wire during installation. Screw in the retaining screws. Secure trim cover and install battery. Test to see if the lock works properly. Test the key to unlock. Lift the lid. Press the position with your fingers to turn away. Installation completed. Wake up the screen first. Then press the star weld key to verify the administrator information. Enter the initial password 123456. Press the pound key to confirm. Press the door lock prompt to enter the new management twice. The password must be the same on both occasions. After successful addition, follow the voice prompt of the door lock. We press 1 in turn to access the door lock function. Press 1 to add a user, then press again to add a face. Enter the face recognition input process. Input face recognition. Need to follow the door lock voice prompt. Adjust and take good position. Turn the head to record the face information. Until the door lock voice prompt input success. Enter the fingerprint recognition input process. Follow the voice prompt of the door lock. We press 2 to add a fingerprint. Add fingerprint 4 times as prompted. Press the asterisk key to return. Press 4 as prompted to add the card. Enter the card entry process. Place the card on the door lock panel as prompted. Induction entry. After successful addition, press the star key to exit. Set the authenticator to unlock without identification. Verify fingerprint unlocking. Verify password unlocking. Verify card unlocking.